If you're encountering issues with friend requests in Helldivers 2, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to address the problem. First, try restarting both the game and your console or PC, as this can often resolve temporary glitches. After restarting, attempt to send the friend request again. It's also important to check the server status of Helldivers 2 to see if there are any ongoing outages. You can do this by searching online for Helldivers 2 service status or using a service like Down Detector. If the servers are down, you'll need to wait until they come back online before friend requests will work. If you're experiencing issues with cross-platform friend requests, particularly between PC and PS5, there may be a bug affecting this functionality. In such cases, you'll need to wait for a developer fix. Ensure that you're using the correct friend code for the person you're trying to add, as typos can prevent requests from going through. Additionally, consider changing your username to something between 3 and 16 characters with no special characters, as rare cases of username-related issues have been reported. If none of these solutions work, it's advisable to report the bug to the developers. You can do this through the official Arrowhead Game Studios website or forums. The more players who report the issue, the sooner it may be addressed in a patch,